This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the light switch striker on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new light switch striker for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The light striker is located on the right-hand slide rail in the freezer compartment. To remove the striker, insert a flathead screwdriver into the two retaining slots to depress the locking tabs. Then slide the striker up. If you need to purchase a new light switch striker, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number on the tag of your refrigerator to make sure that you get the correct part. To install the striker, align and press until it snaps back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you felt this video was helpful, please leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.